Hello all, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to set up Jenkins master slave configuration. For that I have launched two micro instances, and in one instance I have installed Jenkins. You can go through my previous videos to configure or install Jenkins in your VM. And in other node you have to install Java, Git, Maven, and another file called agent.jar. For that you can visit my GitHub page. I'll mention this link in my description. Just go through it. And one important observation is that the Java version and the Maven version in both master and node should be same. Otherwise, we'll end up facing some errors. In order to avoid that, use same versions of Java and Maven in both master and node. Okay, so let's get started. In one node, I have installed Jenkins master, so I have connected to it. And in another node, the slave node, which we are going to connect, I have made some configurations. I'll show you. I'll just connect and I'll show you. We are in slave node now, and I have installed Java. See, the 11th version I have installed, and Maven version is 3.6.3. And the agent file, which we have to download in slave node, that is agent.jar. You can clone it from my repository. Okay. So now let's see the configurations inside the Jenkins. Okay, click on Manage Jenkins, and if you can scroll down, you can find Manage Nodes and Clouds. Okay, and if you can see here, you can go to New Node and type the name of the node, and click on Permanent Agent. Click on Create. Okay, description give as you desire. I'm giving it as Jenkins slave, and number of executors you can give around 5 to 10 based upon the use or your team size. And the root directory, you can give anything where your workspace will be saved. Okay, this is the root directory. You can choose like opt Jenkins. Okay, if it's not there, if this directory is not there in this location, it will generate automatically. Okay, and coming to labels, based on these labels we can run the different kind of jobs on this node. Like if we can give Maven bills using this label, we can select this node. Like we can identify, to identification purpose we should give labels. And usage, use this node as much as possible. And launch method, I am using the first launch method, like launch agent by connecting it to the controller. Means by passing some commands in the slave node, we can get connected it to our master node. Okay, and custom work directory path, this is the path, means the same as the remote root directory where our files will be saved. Like we'll give the same opt Jenkins, I'll give the same. And internal data directory is where it is the directory where our logs get saved. Okay, and we use WebSocket TCP port. Okay, and we'll keep this agent as much as possible online. Okay, and there are two more options as well. Bring this agent online according to schedule. Like we can give some cron tab expression, and according to that it will be online, and rest of the time it will be offline. And bring this agent online when it is in demand, means if the other nodes are working, like if its CPU utilization and everything are full, the job will be given to this idle node. So I'm using the first option, keep this agent online as much as possible. And node priorities, I'm leaving this. Okay, and click on save. And if we click on Jenkins slave now, see we can find two options. Run from agent command line. Okay, agent.jar I've shown you just now. Like you can clone it from my repository, or else you can, if you click on here, it will get downloaded, and from your server you have to transfer it to into your virtual machine. For that there will be some set of tools like FileZilla, where you can transfer your files from your server, local server to virtual machine. Okay, so in order to make it simple, I have uploaded it to my GitHub repo, so you can use that. Okay, and now run this command in your slave node. Okay, this is our slave node, right? See, and use and symbol at last so that it will run in the backend, not in the forend. Okay, click enter. If you can see the info, it is connected, means our slave is connected to our master. Okay, if we go here and back to the list, see, if we go into the Jenkins slave, agent is connected. So this is how we'll connect our slaves to master. And that's it for the demo. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe.